Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can create a new pull request. In the previous video, we have seen we created a new branch and then we added few changes to that new branch. Okay. Now we'll see how we can create a pull request so that we can merge the new branch changes to the old branch. Okay. So this is my changes what I have done. I have added a tutorials code in the new branch. I'll do what? I'll click on create pull request. I'll add the description, added a file called tutorials. I'll just write like this. Okay. And I'll do what? Create pull request, or you can see to create a draft pull request. We're not going to create a draft. Now we are click on create a pull request. And I can add the reviewers if you want. I can assign to myself also. I'll just create a pull request. For now, I'm the guy who has created the master branch and the guy who has created this branch. So, okay. Now we'll get this screen. We'll get like how many commits you want to see. You can see the commits. So this is added 15 hours ago. You can go to the conversation, or you can go to the files, how many files they have changed. So this is the file change. So review everything and do what? Go to the conversation and you can do merge pull request. And also you see squash and merge, rebase and merge. So for now, I don't have to do any of that. I'll just click on merge pull request. Okay. So I'll add confirm merge, add tutorials file, confirm merge. I can do merging now. So merge is already done. So it is already merged now. So let us see the branches. So let me go to tutorials. So let us see master has tutorials now. And also new branch has tutorials. So now let me navigate. So let me share Visual Studio screen. So now the screen would be shared. So now you can see, so this is my branch. So I have all the make your computer talk and all the new folders and also the tutorials file. Okay. In this tutorial file, let me open that. So now you can see the new branch has tutorials here. Let me navigate to master. Okay. If you remember, this is how we can navigate to master. We have to go to git checkout master. Okay. Still, I can see here. So I can see here master has tutorials and also new branch has tutorials. But my local doesn't have that. The Visual Studio Code doesn't have that. See, I'm in the master. I don't have this one. If I check out new branch, I have tutorials. But if I check out to master, I don't have tutorials. For that, guys, you have to do git pull. You have to pull the latest changes. Click on git pull. Now you should be able to get the tutorials. See, we got the tutorials. Okay. So that's it, guys. We have seen the how to create the pull request, how we added the new brand changes to master. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.